What's happening, YouTube? Red here, back with another Red's Way video. And we are out here with the HPI Savage S25 with the Trackstar 28 engine on it. And I am out here currently today because it is nice as heck out here for real. And we don't got too many days like this left. And I was like, I'm gonna get my truck out here and mess with it again because I'm getting ready to get a new engine for it. You know, I dropped my stuff, so I figured I'd come out here and have a couple more little, what was I gonna say? A little more tuning with it, just to mess around. Just give me something to do. I've been having problems with this thing due to engine issue break-in, carburetor on it. I was gonna try to get a new one, but I can't get the old one off. It's like for real stuck. So I said, forget it. Just gonna roll with it until I get my 4.6. And we're gonna yank this baby off and put something on here. I'm not saying this is a bad engine or anything. It's just wasn't done right, and just I'm tired of. I get to the point where I get tired of messing with stuff. It's just time to get rid of it. So I think actually I'm going to try to do a factory reset on this. So I am going to go all the way in flat because I don't know the factory resets for this engine, because like I said, the only thing that came with this thing, it just came in a box, a little box. That was it. No paperwork, no break-in procedure, no nothing. So I used my JADO break-in method on this. Well, I was, but I got interrupted due to shitty servos. My truck took off and shit. I started it up. It was just all crazy, man. So I gave up and hadn't brought it back out until about a year or two after that. So I guess I'm paying the price for that now. So I'm gonna get this low speed in. I don't even know what the low speed is gonna be, so we'll just go two turns out. I'm gonna go all the way in. This gonna probably be hard as heck to start too. Then I'm gonna go out like a couple turns. That. The idle. Where we at? The idle right here. I'm gonna turn that up a couple. Turn that in a little bit. Probably don't think that will hurt. Damn. I was supposed to have been charging my stupid glow plug igniter. I had this thing since I got my Savage. I think it's finally taking a crap on me, so hopefully we can get this glow plug lit up. If not, we're screwed. Found a pin right here too. Let me get this pin out. Shit. Get this pin. I could actually use it for my gas tank so it don't go flying off everywhere. If I can get it in there. Let's see. Shit, I'm sorry. I got my jacket all in your way. Yeah, I don't think I can get this one in here, guys. So we're just gonna have to wing it without it. It's a tight squeeze in there. Definitely. So let's see if we can get this thing started. I'm gonna try to prime it and see if I can get it to go. Let's get it turned on. Everything's cool. So yeah, before we get this started, I don't want to be rude. This is a RC car channel. Anything with a remote control gets controlled on this channel. So if you are into that, this is the channel you want to be. Hit that subscribe button along with the bell. Comment below. Like the video. And share the video if you like the video. You know what I'm saying? I might not get to do this stuff every day because, you know, this is Ohio weather. So I'm doing what I can to keep everybody entertained. But when it comes to April, guys, it's going down. We're going to have fun all the time, man. So a lot of the guys said leave your glow plug igniter on there also. So I'm going to do that. And I just wanted to say, JADO Junkie, sorry I didn't get to hit you up in this video, man. I wouldn't have been able to hold my phone, do this car thing, and try to, you know, listen to you at the same time, you know, for directions. So I'm gonna just go off of what you said with factory reset, and we're just gonna go that route, guys. If the motor blows up, I guess we'll just wait in a few weeks to get a new one, because I'm ready to have some fun with my truck. Ready to get her out here in the snow and blase blase. So Let's see if we can get it to start. Probably ain't gonna start because it's so freaking lean. Alright. I might have to. See, I don't understand how you guys say turn on screws. Like, dude, you don't get no gas. I hate that shit. You know what I'm saying? It's like really hard to start the car. And this thing's like so freaking tight. It ain't gonna work without the thing being out. So I think on this one we're just gonna have to go flush with it. I know that for a fact, because if you go all the way in, man, that's like deep in there. We're just gonna have to set that as we go. I just want to get it started. I don't want my arm falling off by the time I get it going, because I hate this pull start crap. I need like an electric start. Whoops. Come on. Oh, shit. Let's give her some gas. Ah, there we go. Whew. It's probably gonna start now, guys. Oh, shit. Shit, I know what I'm tripping. I forgot. I'm tripping. I gotta turn this high speed out. It's all the way in too. Yeah, tripping. Alright. Tripping. Alright, let's try this again. I hate this pull start though. She's almost there. Turn her up the idle a little bit more. Somebody said they love the idle, so I'll turn it up a little bit. I gotta kneel down so y'all can see. So I'm gonna leave the glow plug on there for a minute. We'll let the igniter on. So now, I'll go in a couple turns. Oh, shit. I probably shouldn't do that. I probably gotta let her warm up first, huh? Let her warm up first. Let her warm up a little bit. I gotta learn to slow down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Take my time. Where my stuff at? Crap. Alright, so we'll just let her sit here and idle for a little bit. Let her warm up. Might be a little rich on the low speed Too many pockets. So, is that rich? That's a rich noise, right? Just let it warm up a little bit. I ain't gonna turn those screws. The steering sucks on this, so I'm gonna just go in circles. Hopefully you guys can see well. I guess we're going over there then. Just let it warm up a little bit. See, she has its moments where it wants to like go, and then I smell gas. Does that mean I might be a little rich? Or is that lean? Where'd it go? Walk over here then. Shit. So when it bogs like that, I'm pretty sure that means she's lean. More fuel, guys. Or should I mess with the high speed? I'll lean that, and then I'm gonna richen my high speed just a hair. I mean my low speed, because I do know for a fact that it runs cool at that point. Damn. So when I give it gas, it doesn't want to. Too much gas. Oh, okay. Why is it doing that? What the heck? What the freak? Alright, so I'm going to bump the idle up here. That. Did I go out? Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. See if that works. Let's see if that works. Hope I can get in some good action for you guys today, man. Some action. There we go. The high speed needed something. Yeah, she's rich now. That thing's moving like it's pulling 100 pounds behind it. That is crazy. My purple engine had way more juice. Alright, we're going to got high speed in on it a little bit. I'm gonna just do some laps. Let that fucker warm up a little bit. That's rich as shit, man. Alright. Come here, baby. And that is full throttle too, guys. I might be a little rich on the, I don't know, we're just gonna mess with the high speed today. See how we get it. I ain't gonna mess with the low speed. Just gonna let it warm up. I think I'm gonna get her filled out. Oh no, I feel it. Just keep turning that high speed a little bit. I don't know why I'm hitting the brakes. I don't got no brakes. I don't know, guys. Still rich. Still a little rich. A little bit of speed in there. She still got way more than that. I'm telling you, this thing. Getting a little bit better. Uh-oh. Something happened. I think I might have. So, my darn thing came loose again. That. I've been having issues with that too. Damn, it's slipping. It ain't grabbing on the freaking, whatchamacallit. I got some horseplay in there or something. I'm gonna have to get some pliers on it. Let's see. I gotta tighten up that rope. Just let it coast fast, idle right by itself. It's going all fast by itself. I ain't got no gas. Look at that. Oh no! I can learn to too. Stop! At least the idle's gotten better. The idling. I gotta go find a pair of pliers or something. Oh, a pair of pliers. With all them darn leaves. Shit, she was getting a little better though, I think. What you guys think? Getting a little bit better. I think I'm gonna go ahead and friction that shit out a little bit more though on that end and mess with that. Alright, I gotta go find a pair of pliers somewhere. I shall return in a minute. Well, I am back, guys. I had to go get a wrench, but I don't think this is going to work out. I had this freaking problem before. This stupid wheel is not latching onto the transmission thing, and I can't get it to freaking tighten up. So, it might not be happening today, guys. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't think it's gonna work. It just freaking spins. Oh, crap. Let's see. If not, I'll have to take it in the basement and mess with it again. I'll have to pull everything off and whatnot. So I hope if I turned it on. Oh. Yeah. Sheesh. Well, that's gonna be it for that then, I guess, because I know it's not gonna work. It's not even sitting flush, and I gotta take all this, man. Damn, sorry guys, I'm broke down just as we was making progress, man. It fucking sucks. I would get the Jado, but shit, I don't even think it's quite ready, you know what I'm saying? So bummer, man. I was really hoping to get this thing out today. Oh, well, I guess this thing will have to wait until we get that 4.6, guys, because by that time when I get the 4.6, I can take the engine off. The carb will be out my way. I can get this properly done right. Crap, man. Well, guys, guess we're gonna have to wrap this up. So maybe y'all, you know, somebody hit me up, man. I got some flying shit too, RCs, man. I got like a helicopter and a drone. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to bring that into the channel, man. Fly that around in the house or something. I don't know. If not, Christmas needs to hurry up and get here so I can get this truck back out. Because right now I'm kind of dead in the water. Dead in the water. So, you know what, for real? If I don't get that 4.6, guys, so I want you guys to check out my video, my live stream when I had the old motor I had this, that 3.5. Y'all let me know if I can get that back together. I'm not thinking about putting that back on there. The engine's broke in. The pull start issue's messed up, but I think I can take this pull start off of this one and put it on there. I have another carburetor too, but it's for the HPI. But I think I'm about to put my other motor back on here, guys. If I can get, I need the flywheel, the clutch pads, the spur gear, well, the little, I need all the stuff right here. I need all that crap, all the guts for my old engine. Matter of fact, we'll just go down there right now and I'll show you guys. Take this stuff in the house. Put back all the shit. I'm telling you, because the engine that came off of this, it's pretty good. It was a pretty good engine. I should have just stayed with it. But like I said, I couldn't find parts for it because I didn't quite know what engine it was. I was just always typing up HPI Savage 25 parts and wasn't really finding too much stuff. So hold on, I'm going downstairs, guys. I take this stuff downstairs. Sorry if it's dark. But yeah. So all this stuff down right here. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Turn on my light so you guys can see it. So right here, this is the engine. Right here. I need all of that stuff that goes on there. So if you guys can find me the parts for that, for this engine. The stuff that goes right here, the crank stuff. I have another carburetor in my room. And oh yeah, well, the pull start too. For a HPI 25, but it says 3.5 on here, so I don't know what the heck that off, means, but better picture. The motor's not blown. It works. It takes the JADO glow plugs. Ain't that crazy? So yeah, guys, the pull start. If I can get a pull start for this, let me know if you can find one for this, and also the crank, clutch pad, whatever, the flywheels, all that stuff, all this stuff that's on my JADO right here. All that. I don't think you guys will see it, but yeah. And we'll get this baby back on there because this engine's a beast. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good engine. Small block. I think it's a small block. So yeah, small block. We're gonna go small block. And it's broken. Still got good compression. Oh yeah. Get this crap off of here. Yeah. I don't know if I have to tool to get that off. Let's see. Get this off of here real quick. Just so y'all can see what's going on. I think I have some one-way bearings also. So. Is that the one-way bearing? The heck is that? That's weird. Never seen that on there before. Is that my one-way bearing? Yeah, it is. I tried to machine one at work. I forgot. I bought one too big. I was having a hard time finding one. But I think this is the actual pull start for it, if I ain't mistaken. I just need the one-way. Okay, so I need to get the one-way bearing. I'm gonna look around, see where it's at. But okay, guys, I need a one-way bearing size. I need a one-way bearing for this and that and that. Comment below, let me know, and we'll go from there. And we'll shit. This is okay. This will be the plan. This is gonna be the plan. We'll get this motor put back on my Savage, right? Get it all put back together. Have fun with this in the wintertime. Come spring, I'll put the 4.6 on there and break it in, because for real, I can't break it in the wintertime anyway. So, yeah, guys, does that sound like a plan to you guys? We'll get this back together, get all the parts on here, slap it right back on the Savage, slap a glow plug in there, and we're good to go. Because like I said, I want that break-in to be right on that 4.6. I don't want no issues. And I want to be outside, and I don't want to stop the process. I want to finish it. So that's what I'm thinking. Think smart, Red. Dang it, Red. Why weren't you thinking about that? See? But anywho, guys, we're going to put this bad baby back on there. Get all the parts. So maybe we'll go live stream later on the night, talk about it, see who knows what about the Savage, see if we can get some HPI Savage people. I want to get some more Savage people in this group too. I got a lot of T-Max guys and everything so far, but I want to get a lot of different variety. Lucy, everybody's welcome. Everybody's welcome. Whatever you got, welcome. But Traxxas and HPI is what I normally run, so yeah. So I don't know, guys. I'm about to get off of here. I'm about to go get ready to upload this video. You guys have a good, wonderful weekend. I'm sure I'll see you guys again some point on live stream. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Click that bell for notifications. Smash that like button and comment below if you have any questions and answers about anything. And yeah, be a part of the Nitro gang, baby. So I'll catch y'all people later on. Peace out.